Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and where you're joining me from. Um, Today, I'm going to show you how to change your ZTE router Wi-Fi device name and password. In our world today, it's very important to change your default password. Okay, cybersecurity is very important. That's the least you can do for yourself. So I'm just going to dive in. First things first, I'm going to enter. Okay, you need to be connected to the ZTE Wi-Fi already for you to access this IP. Okay, 192.168.1.1. So I'm already connected. See it here. I'm already connected to my 5G. So I'm just going to log in. Okay, I'm going to go to my wireless settings here. Click. Then I'll toggle this off. Go to wireline SSID configuration. You cancel what is there. Put yours, whatever it is you want to put it there. You come to the WPA passphrase, you cancel what is there, and you put yours. But you need to know that a strong password should match these rules. It should have at least 8 characters. It should become composed of digits, alphabets, and special symbols. It should not have context relationship with the username, such as the same or inverse. So just follow these rules. Impute whatever it is that you want to impute. I am okay, something like that. So you do that and you just click apply, and that's. I'm not going to click apply for this because I've already changed mine. I don't change it again. All right, so you go to SSID 5 gigahertz, change the username, put whatever it is you want to put, then go to the WPA passphrase, change it also, following these rules, you know, okay. Once you do that, you click apply. All right, you click apply. Like I said before, I'm not going to click apply because I don't want to change mine. But you can go on and click apply, and that will be it. All right. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Bye.